Competition of me and my mother.
Start.
Explain fundamental duties.
We should maintain national pride of
All the citizens should respect national anthem and national flag. We should not violate others' rights by other rights, or we should maintain peace and brotherhood. We should strive to develop in all the fields so that we can make our nation pride. We should not damage the public properties. We should
we should
maintain.
not
um,
deal in violence.
we should that I said. We should protect our environment.
No, you didn't said.
We should preserve our culture and heritage. And stop mode.
All the citizens of the country should maintain should sh- should respect national anthem and flag. We should not deal in the violence. We should not harm the public property. We should we should be we should have rich we should have rich heritage
It is
of
already there.
we should have rich culture.
It is already there in India. We need to preserve it.
We need to preserve the culture.
Hmm. Culture means what?
Culture means our Indian culture.
That's what all it includes.
Brotherhood.
I said no. Religion, festival,
Religion,
clothes, food.
festivals,
Link you need to keep and then you need to remember.
festivals, clothes, foods,
Music,
music.
dance.
All should maintain brother. All the people.
First, complete that. We need to preserve.
We need to preserve rich culture such as
You need not have to explain that. That is for your understanding sake. I explained. We need to preserve culture and
culture and heritage.